Growing a YouTube channel and getting 1,000 subscribers takes dedication and a focus on creating a great experience for viewers. Here are some key steps to consider. Content is king. Find your niche. Focus on a specific topic or area of interest that you are passionate about and can consistently create content for. High-quality videos. Invest time and effort in creating well-produced videos with good lighting, sound, and editing. Know your audience. Research your target audience and tailor your content to their interests and needs. Compelling titles and thumbnails. Grab attention with clear, concise titles that include relevant keywords and eye-catching thumbnails that accurately reflect your video content. Channel presentation. First impression counts. Design a professional-looking channel banner and profile picture that reflects your brand. Channel description. Craft a clear and informative channel description that tells viewers what your channel is about and why they should subscribe. Optimize for search. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags to help viewers find your content. Engagement and promotion. Post consistently. Develop a regular upload schedule to keep viewers engaged and coming back for more. Call to action. Encourage viewers to subscribe. At the end of your videos and throughout your channel description. Promote on social media. Share your videos on other social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments. Answer questions and participate in discussions to build a community around your channel. Collaborations. Consider collaborating with other YouTubers in your niche to cross-promote content and reach new audiences.